The first major US winter storm system of the year dumped a frosty mix of snow, freezing rain and sleet from the northern plains to the upper Great Lakes region on Tuesday, while posing a tornado and a flood threat to a large swath of the south. The National Weather Service forecast intense snowfall of 1 to 3 inches per hour in parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Minnesota on Tuesday, accompanied at times by thunder with more than a foot of snow expected to accumulate. New York City also saw record cold temperature on Christmas Eve at several locations, including its JFK and LaGuardia airports. The high at Central Park was 15 degrees, making it the second coldest December 24 in at least 150 years, according to National Weather Service.